Hi and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about file permission commands. File permission commands in Linux are used to manage and control access to files and directories. These commands allow users to set permissions for the owner, group, and others, determining who can read R, write W, or execute X a file. Here are some common file permission commands in Linux. 1. Chmod changes file permissions. It can be used in various ways, including symbolic mode and octal mode. For example, chmod plus x file name. The command chmod plus x file name in Linux is used to add executable permissions to a file. Here's a breakdown of the command. Chmod, this is the command used to change file permissions in Linux. Plus x, the plus x option signifies that executable permission is being added. File name, this is the name of the file for which you want to modify permissions. So, when you run chmod plus x file name, you are telling the system to grant execute permission to the file name. 2. Chown changes the owner of a file or directory. Example, chown user group file name. Here's a breakdown of the command. Chown, this is the command used to change the owner and or group of a file. User, the new owner of the file. Specify the username. Group, optional, the new group of the file. Specify the group name after the colon. File name, the name of the file or directory for which you want to modify ownership. So, when you run chown user group file name, you are instructing the system to change the owner of the file to the specified user and the group to the specified group. 3. Chgrp changes the group ownership of a file or directory. Example, chgrp new group file name. Here's an explanation of the command. Chgrp, this is the command used to change the group ownership of a file or directory. New group, the new group to which you want to assign ownership. Specify the group name. File name, the name of the file or directory for which you want to modify the group ownership. So, when you run chgrp new group file name, you are instructing the system to change the group ownership of the specified file to the new group. 4. LSL displays detailed information about files and directories, including their permissions, ownership, and modification times.